Hey everyone, Tom Murray here from Future Ready Schools, and it's great to be back with you all at this year's conference. I'm here to invite you to join our Future Ready network as we work together with districts across the country, including in your great state of New Hampshire. As you connect with educators from around your state at the conference, I'm sure many themes have emerged, one of which is hope. If there's something that educators need right now, it's hope. Hope in a better tomorrow. Hope in breaking down silos. Hope in supporting marginalized groups of students who desperately need us. Hope for new opportunities for those who need it most. So I encourage you to connect with us at futureready.org, whether it's joining us at one of our free virtual events, reading stories of hope from around the country, listening to the latest podcast highlighting school and district leaders, or connecting with our vast network of educators who pour their lives into other people's children. We'd love to see you join our network, a place that you can find hope alongside so many others. For New Hampshire superintendents, we encourage you to take that first step in signing the Future Ready Pledge. And for all educators, we also encourage you to join our growing Digital Learning Day network as we highlight the vast successes of educators, even in the face of adversity, on February 25th at this year's Digital Learning Day. Most of all, we thank you for all you do each and every day for those we serve. Have a great rest of your conference.